Namaskar. Welcome to Tasty Town Recipes. Today I am preparing quick and tasty pulao. Who don't like pulao? From small children to the elder, everyone like to eat pulao at any time. This is one of the main dish in India. This easy pulao is filled with varieties of vegetables and incredible flavor of Indian spices. Let us see how to prepare pulao in 15 minutes. Here I am taking 1.5 cup of India Gate Basmati premium rice. Wash the rice gently 2 to 3 times. After that, soak the rice into 1.5 cup of water. I am soaking the rice just before preparing the pulao. In a cooker, take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Add half teaspoon of shahi jeera. Add 1 tablespoon cashew nuts. Roast for a few seconds at low flame. Now add 1 cup chopped onion. Fry the onion up to 8 to 10 minutes or until the onion changes its color to light brown. Add 1 tablespoon chopped green chili. Fry for a few seconds too. Add 1 teaspoon ginger paste and add 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Now fry for a minute. At this stage, I am adding 1-inch cinnamon sticks, 2 to 3 cardamom, 3 to 4 cloves. Adding these spices after garlic will retain its flavor more than adding it earlier. Now add 1 cup chopped potato. Fry for a minute and add 1 cup chopped carrot. Fry for a minute and add 1 cup chopped beans. Add 1 cup cauliflower. Fry until each vegetable pieces will coat oil. Now I am adding half a cup chopped fresh mint leaves. Stir it with vegetables. Then add 3/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves. Mix it again. Add half tablespoon garam masala. This is homemade garam masala. Add half tablespoon mint sauce. This is mainly for a pulao color. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ghee or a butter. Mix it properly with vegetables. This is the right time to add soaked rice along with water. Mix it again. Add remaining water 2.5 cup. Add half tablespoon of Himalayan pink salt or as required to your taste. Add half lemon juice. Mix it all around. Raise the flame low to medium high. Once the pulao mixture start boiling, cover the lid and put the whistle on top. After 2 whistles, simmer for a minute and switch off the flame. When the cooker cools down, remove the lid. Wow, what an aroma! Perfectly cooked. Rice grains are separate and soft. No water left inside. Quick and tasty pulao is ready to serve. Eat healthy and stay healthy. By the way, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Try this recipe today and do comments below in the comment box. Thank you.